Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This week we are doing a DIY on biscuit cans. Now I usually buy biscuits for my kids like every month as snacks, and these are savory crackers, and most often they find themselves in the garbage bin. So I have decided to upcycle these cans and turn them into flower pots. So you can follow along to see how I change up my biscuit cans, just really making them look a little bit more classy with the type of paints that I have chosen to use. I've used Krylon and also Rust-Oleum. I have placed those link in the bio so you can see what those look like if it's something you're interested in. So you can follow through to the end of my video to see what I do. Also, you will find that I have tied my bougainvillea plant to a steel, and the last time I actually showed the bougainvillea in my video, the end result of me tying it, but not really the process. And now this is a follow-up to give you an update as to what it looks like. First, you would see that the last time that I did it, it was really scanty and you could still see the steel, and now it's really fluffing out and looking gorgeous. My next follow-up video, you will definitely see how beautiful it grows once it has filled in properly, and that is why I recommend using a trellis for those climbing plants, because they definitely do give them a classy look in the end. Thank you so much guys for watching and following, and thank you so much for my new subscribing passes. Thank you so much for subscribing, you guys, and for continuing to follow my shorts and also my videos as I grow in this YouTube world. You guys, thank you so much for following along with me, and I hope you watch me do more videos and just grow with me, give me advice, because honestly it's becoming a thing now, you guys, and I really love it. So just continue to support me as I go along this little YouTube journey. So just follow me through to the end of my video, you guys. Thank you so much. Once again, we have come to the end of this video, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed what I did. It was just simple and easy, and I know that you all can try this at home. So if you have your old crackers or biscuit cans, you don't have to put them in the trash can for them to go to the dumpster. You can always upcycle them and put them to use. I usually love to do functional things with some things that would people would consider maybe trash or something you want to throw in the dumpster. You don't have to hoard a lot of them. You can dump the ones that you don't really need, but for some things, like if you want to store things, you can always, paint them, style them up. If you're a painter, a DIY painter like myself, you can style them up and use them for various things around your house, you guys. So thank you so much for supporting, and please remember to click the like button, click the share button, and don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Subscribe, ask your family to subscribe, ask your friends to subscribe, ask your children to subscribe, ask your pussies to subscribe to my pussy on this YouTube journey 2022, Tamara on the go, you guys. Please remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.